Kia ora, I'm Sherry Kinnear and this is the Covid-19 news update for Monday. New Zealanders have spent their first day back in red after the entire country moved to the most restricted setting in the traffic light framework overnight, amid an Omicron outbreak in the community. The highly infectious strain has been found in Nelson, Palmerston North and Auckland. Of today's 25 new community cases of COVID in the community, 8 have tested positive for Omicron and are part of 19 community cases now associated with the outbreak and are all in isolation. 2 of today's new Omicron cases are in the Nelson Tasman region and are contacts of existing cases. 5 cases are in Auckland, linked to one of the reported family events, and there is an additional case in Palmerston North, a household contact who was already isolating and linked to the previously reported Palmerston North case. Health officials are prioritising whole genome sequencing for any unlinked positive cases of COVID-19 in the community. The new approach would help to detect any cases of Omicron as quickly as possible, establish any links to existing cases and slow the spread of the virus. Health officials would now also assume all recent arrivals who tested positive at the border have the Omicron variant. There are 10 people in hospital with the virus today and the average age of those hospitalised is 57. More than 1 million booster doses have now been administered, 57% of those who are now due. On paediatric vaccines, more than 100,000 or 23% of 5 to 11-year-olds have either had or are booked to have their first dose. In Auckland CBD, foot traffic was down as retail, restaurant and cafe owners began to feel the effects of the red light setting.
There's been a huge drop in foot traffic and we've already had probably 3 cancellations just for today. So a lot of places are seeing a massive downturn already and we're only a few hours in.
Pretty quiet. I think we've had like less than 5 customers today and we opened up at 9. So yeah, it's pretty chill.
Disappointing but expected. At some stage it was just a matter of time.
Meanwhile, the impact of Omicron is set to become apparent in empty supermarket aisles in the coming weeks. Countdown said toilet paper and cat food have been among the most sought after items sold since yesterday's announcement. Purchase limits have also been put on the likes of painkillers and cold and flu medication. And that's the latest COVID-19 news. For more and to stay up to date, head to nzherald.co.nz. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.